Well, markets have rebounded today after heavy losses on Monday. Now we're joined by Matt Cheslock of Virtu Financial. Matt, we've seen a fair bit of volatility in markets recently. While we are up today, the S&P is down more than 4% so far this year. Do you see that as part of a healthy correction, or are there serious causes for concern?
Well, it's funny. I don't think there's any healthy corrections as far as what people persona is, but correction was due. We really needed it. We had a lot of good news that was out at the end of the year. Now we're trying to find a new market leader for this year. So it's not a surprise to see a correction. I don't know if we're done. You know, after a 300-point rout yesterday, we're only up 50 points right now. So more of a dead cat bounce than anything else. You know, let's see if we can sustain this. The only problem is I'm not sure there's anything out there right now. Is Twitter going to be the reason for tomorrow for any kind of move higher if they do surprise?
Okay. We've had some fairly mixed earnings results so far. Generally speaking, how would you assess the quality of earnings that we've seen?
I think the earnings themselves have been pretty good, but it's starting to be the expectations of what they're expecting for next quarter. I think that's becoming troublesome. The companies that are forecasting lighter quarters next quarter are really being punished, and we're seeing that across the board, across all different sectors. So that's something that you're going to have to look forward to. It's not what they're doing last quarter. We've already forecasted that in. What are you going to do for me next quarter?
Now, capital expenditure has been a talking point and some concern. Do you hear anything in the commentary of results which suggests that that corporates are ready to invest?
Well, they've talked about reinvesting in themselves, and CapEx is one of those reasons. Where are they going to do it? Are they going to put it into technology? We haven't seen them go out and hire anyone really yet, so probably technology would be the beneficiary if they are going to do any of that. So.
Okay, thank you, Matt. That was Matt Cheslock from Virtu Financial, and I'm Jane Searle for The Street.